Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make navigation transparent in Framer. This is a great way to create a sleek, modern website design where your navigation blends seamlessly with your header or background content, giving your site a more professional and polished look. First, you'll want to head over to framer.com and log in to your account. Simply open your browser, type in the URL, and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Make sure you're using the account associated with the project you want to edit. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your projects displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific project where you want to make the navigation transparent. Click on that project to open it. This will bring you into the Framer editor where you can start making your design changes. Now that you're in the editor, you need to access your navigation element. To do this, simply double-click on your navigation. This action will isolate your navigation, allowing you to focus specifically on editing this component without any distractions from other elements on your page. Isolating elements like this makes it much easier to make precise adjustments. With your navigation now isolated and selected, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll find the Style section, which contains all the visual properties you can modify for your navigation. Look for the option labeled Fill and click on it. This is where you control the background color and opacity of your navigation bar. To make your navigation transparent, you'll need to adjust the opacity. Find the opacity slider within the fill settings and drag it all the way down to 0. As you move the slider, you'll see your navigation become increasingly transparent until it's completely see-through. This allows whatever content is behind your navigation, whether it's an image, video, or solid color, to show through clearly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your transparent navigation looks, it's time to make these changes live on your website. Click the Publish button located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will push your design updates to your live site, making your new transparent navigation visible to all your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully made your navigation transparent in Framer, giving your website that clean, modern aesthetic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.